one of the other big questions around Sparkplug is how does Sparkplug help organizations sort of like comply with security regulations, or how does security work with Sparkplug? Let's put it that way.
Yes. So there, certainly Sparkplug follows a bit the same philosophy as MQTT. When you read the MQTT spec, there is a section on security, but it's non-normative in the sense that they document best practices, but it's really up to you to decide what makes sense for your use case. The one thing that's really well supported in MQTT, and that's the most fundamental thing for data integrity, is of course the TLS encryption. So the same that you use to connect to your bank in your browser. So of course you have that in base MQTT, and you have that when you use Sparkplug, because Sparkplug uses MQTT as the transport protocol underneath. So we have also in the Sparkplug spec a section on security, and it is intentionally lightweight because the people that wrote the spec, so people with, collectively decades of experience in industrial automation, felt that it was best to delegate things like that to the underlying MQTT broker. So apart from, of course, enabling TLS on whatever broker you will be using, the key thing there is to have a look at the security feature set of the brokers that are available to you. And there, HiveMQ is certainly a very, very good choice. And they are, of course, open source options that offer, for example, in the case of Eclipse Mosquito, a lightweight broker available in nearly every MQTT, not MQTT, but every Linux distribution. It's got the principle of access control lists and ACLs that you can leverage in order to segregate topics that are security sensitive over some that needs maybe less security. So really, if you are a business person, the key thing there is to give your IoT architects the mandate to evaluate broker options that make sense for you. But from a commercial perspective, if you need commercial support, HiveMQ is certainly a very good option.
Oh yeah,